The OHS Essentials program offers small and medium employers in Victoria 3 free OHS consultation services. We're not inspectors, we're all independent consultants that provide this service. You're presented with a number of challenges when you're working in the construction industry. You're constructing something, you're demolishing something, so things are always moving.
My name's David Woollands. I run a small commercial maintenance business. We do all sorts of maintenance in both the commercial and residential space. I wanted to take up the WorkSafe OHS Essentials program because what we don't want to see with our employees is ongoing repetitive injuries that are going to cause them issues. Gloria gave us some really practical advice around how to manage risks on site.
It was about explaining to him that you need to make sure that the equipment that you're using is safe and suitable, but on the same token, we don't need to spend large amounts of money to make a huge difference in health and safety. It can be something as simple as having a conversation or picking up that thing that's on the floor that someone's about to trip over.
Gloria also gave us some really great advice around keeping registers and documentation and really building up a library of OHS material that we can use in the future. What's great when you come out of the program like this is knowing that you've done everything you can to make sure your employees are safe.
The OHS Essentials program is really about helping them to not only manage health and safety risk, but helping them to provide a great working environment for everyone.